Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a super straightforward guide on how to transfer Chainlink from Bitmart to XMO in 2025. If you're into crypto and want to move your assets between exchanges seamlessly, this tutorial is perfect for you. Let's get right into it. First things first, before we start, make sure you have accounts set up on both Bitmart and XMO. You'll also need some Chainlink tokens in your Bitmart wallet and the exact wallet address from XMO. Remember, crypto transfers involve real money, so double-check everything to avoid any mishaps. Step 1. Log into your Bitmart account. Once you're in, head over to the Wallets or Assets section. Find your Chainlink holdings there. Next, look for the Withdraw option. It's usually right next to the asset you want to move. Step 2. In the withdrawal page, select Chainlink from the drop-down menu. Now, you'll need to enter your XMO wallet address. To get that, quickly log into your XMO account and go to the deposit section for Chainlink. Copy the address carefully, it's case sensitive. Step 3. Back on Bitmart, enter the amount of Chainlink you want to transfer. Don't forget to check the network. Make sure it's the correct one, like ERC20 for Chainlink on Ethereum. Review the transaction details, including any fees, and hit confirm. You'll probably need to verify this with 2FA for security. Once the transfer is initiated, it might take a few minutes to an hour to process, depending on network congestion. While you wait, keep an eye on your XMO account. Step 4. Log back into XMO and check your deposit history or wallet balance to confirm the Chainlink has arrived. A quick tip. Always use the main network for transfers to avoid losing funds, and never share your private keys. If you're new to this, start with a small amount to test. There you have it. That's how you transfer Chainlink from Bitmart to XMO in 2025. It's easier than it sounds once you get the hang of it. If you found this helpful, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more crypto tips, and drop your questions in the comments. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.